Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 6 of the Wera advent calendar. So far we have the wand halter, keys 6 and 8, and a pouch with micro bits. Now let's see what's behind number 6 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days of December before Christmas. And now we have the screwdriver handle for the various bits. Don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 7. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.